Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. This is your friend Abhishek, but not a financial advisor. And guys, today's video is going to be a really short update video, which is going to be about Cassava Sciences. So yes, this video is going to be a Cassava Sciences stock update video. I will just let you guys know what is my personal opinion regarding Cassava Sciences for now. And in the next video, I will talk a little bit more about what is happening with Cassava Sciences stock. So let me be clear first. So yeah, I have been getting lately a lot of questions regarding Cassava Sciences stock. So I thought that, okay, let's make a Cassava Sciences stock update video. And I just want to clarify my personal opinion, like I said, because the stock has been tanking. Yeah, but guess what, guys? The whole stock market is suffering because there are a lot of things surrounding the stock market which is not favoring the stock market at all. Take the inflation numbers, it reached 8.5%. Okay, I thought that that's it. But Fed came out and said they will raise the interest rates by just 50 basis points, which was, again, in my opinion, Fed is saying that the economy is getting stabilized and everything is going to get back on track. But in my personal opinion, 50 basis points is still less, and they're targeting around 2 to 2.5% by the end of this year, which is okayish in my opinion. But when Fed came out and said that, oh, we'll be hawkish, and the whole market was saying, oh, okay, we need to, let's say, move on to other investments because interest rates will rise and Fed will be finally hawkish. Actually, some logical investors became, a bit calm because they thought that, okay, now inflationary numbers will come down because Fed is taking a good step ahead. But now after this happened, I've lost hope. Yeah, when it comes to Fed. Anyways, so we are not talking about this stuff. So I just wanted to let you guys know that the whole market is coming down, guys. And especially in such situations, the companies, the businesses who doesn't generate any positive cash flow will suffer the first. And that I have made clear in my previous videos as well. Especially pharmaceutical businesses who are just dealing with speculative results. So in case of Cassava Sciences, everything is pure speculation, guys. So you have to know that this is pure speculation. How many times I have to tell this to make you guys understand that this is a highly speculative stock. If you're not ready to lose around 50, 60, 70, 80% of your money on this particular business, then you are invested in a wrong company, guys. Let me be really clear with you guys. Okay, so that's my personal opinion. I am not selling a single stock of Cassava Sciences. Full disclosure, I will show you guys how many stocks I have and how confident I personally am on Cassava Sciences. So as you guys can see, I'm on a portfolio on Volksbank, and you can see that this is today's Friday's date, and the latest date is from Friday night. And we can see that I'm down by 50%, and my average is 38 euros, okay? And I have 340 stocks. So you can see that I have a decent amount of stocks. I have a decent amount of position in Cassava Sciences, but that's still around 5 to 6% of my complete portfolio. And what I'm planning is to increase my position up to 400 stocks. So I have now a space of 60 more stocks to fill in, but that's it. Yeah, I won't be buying anymore, because I don't want to increase my speculative position more than 8 to 9% from when I'm talking about my complete portfolio. So that would be it. This is full disclosure, guys. So again, guys, that's all what I wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am not selling a single stock. You saw my position, 340 stocks, and you will see, I will show you repeatedly my position. I won't be making any changes until and unless I see a really big drastic change in the business itself, or in their research, or in their progress regarding Simoflem. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, to let you guys know what I'm thinking about Cassava Sciences stock, and maybe this will help you guys out or calm you guys down. Because again, guys, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor and I don't want to influence your decision in any way. Yeah, what I'm trying to say here is that if you are not ready to lose all your money, because this is pure speculation, anything can happen. Either they fail in phase 3, the FDA denies the drug, anything can happen, then this stock is going to zero, okay? Because apart from that, they just have another oral drug. But again, the full market cap, what we are trying to calculate, what we are speculating, is based on Simoflem's success. So this can really go yeah, bonkers, and you might lose all your money. Of course, I'm ready to lose up to 80 to 90%, because of course you will get a chance to sell your position, whatever you have. So I don't think that you will lose all your money, yeah, but of course a big amount, a big chunk of your investment you can easily lose. So if you're not ready for that, guys, please, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I would do is that I would just sell my position. I will lose, yes, 6,000 euros right now, or 7,000 euros right now, but I would still have 6,500 euros, and I would rather put into some good businesses like let's say Amazon or Alphabet or Tesla, yeah, where I see that the stocks are falling, but still I have a good hope, because those businesses are definitely not going anywhere else. So that's why I just wanted to make this quick update video about Cassava Sciences. What is my opinion? What are my thoughts based on Cassava Sciences? I know many things went wrong for Cassava Sciences. For example, the fire chat, which actually in my opinion was a decent fire chat, but according to investors it didn't go well, because many things came out which was not shared earlier, but that's why it happened anyways. And then of course we had this NYT report. One of the reporters went to 9 scientists, and yeah, they were really sarcastic, and they really criticized Simuflem, and they said it's impossible. But again, there were 2 to 3 scientists who had a short position into Cassava Sciences as well, and then one scientist she's like against Cassava Sciences since ages, you know. So anyways, these are a few things which I wanted to let you guys know. I will make another video based on what I just said, what negativity surrounding Cassava Sciences, but this video is just for this. That's it. I just wanted to clarify things, and I just wanted to let you guys know what I am doing with Cassava Sciences for now. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and ciao guys.